Yun lang, briefly, anong masasabi natin doon na Vice President Sara will not attend the SONA of President Marcos? Anong implication po nito?
Very beautiful, a very clear stand, no, that she's distancing herself completely. Not naman yet 100 million%, but yeah, she's distancing herself from the Marcos administration. Very clear, very, very clear. Tapos yung sinabi niya na designated survivor, ano kaya yon? but very clearly the Vice President is not attending the SONA because she doesn't want to have anything to do with the Marcos administration and his kapalpakan.
And with that, ma'am, kailangan enough na ba yan para, kasi parang hindi pa gising si Marcos, enough na ba yan para mas magising pa si Marcos?
I don't think he has the capacity to wake up because I really think that he is burdened with a substance abuse disorder, and unless it's proven otherwise, this is what I would believe because this is what I see as a doctor. This is what I that's my presumption, no? So yun yung nakikita ko, no? I don't think he has the capacity to be aware, no? So as most substance abuse disorder patients are like that naman, walang awareness yan. So there's no capacity there, therefore he has no capacity to lead this country.